Testing, testing. Here I am sitting on the floor making a video about my brand new AC600 wireless adapter. I have made one video so far. It makes me feel like a YouTube superstar. Hello folks, how are you doing? This little package of wireless nano USB adapter just arrived. I decided to make a quick video. Look how tiny it is. As they say, sometimes tiny is better. It uses USB 2 port. It's a nano size. It cost me 10 euros plus delivery. The package itself is made to fit a CD disc. I already watched other unboxing videos. Let's hope it works fine. Thank you for watching and have a great time. Bye bye.